I like this utensil holder. It fits a good amount and looks really good with my kitchen decor. I would definitely buy again. Good little purchase. It's perfect. It holds all of my stovetop utensils, not to mention it's super cute and matches my kitchen theme. Cute, easy to clean, holds my 10% set. Perfect size. Not too small, not too big. I love it. I recommend this product. Love the font, the weight and height. Looks great with my new utensils. The perfect size and looks great. I probably have too many things in it right now, about 20 utensils fitting pretty comfortably, but we use it in our camper to create more drawer storage space. Works great. We'll be getting one for the house as well. Love the way it looks. Totally worth the price. One of my favorite kitchen purchases so far. Much sturdier than expected. Absolutely love it. Love this utensil holder, and it certainly solved my problem with not enough drawer space. Very very pretty sitting next to the stove. See photo. I love this one. Great addition to our kitchen. Bigger than I expected. Wanted to make more room in my utensil drawer. Kept a majority of my cooking utensils in them. I love this utensil holder. It's well made and quite large. Absolutely adorable and fits plenty of utensils. If you're interested in a farmhouse look, this utensil holder is the one for you. Super cute, I love it. I bought this to replace a ceramic one my naughty kids broke. It's made of a lightweight metal and is very sturdy. The black script pops beautifully off the white background. It's a little smaller than I'd like, but it meets my expectations. Holds all my utensils. Click link in description for more reviews. Please subscribe today.